Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby dozy day today. Today I'm going to fess up. I was influenced to buy some things. I was influenced to buy some things from Hermes. It's true, I like to think of myself as impervious to influence, but clearly it's not true. So today I have an Hermes unboxing. I'm just going to jump straight into it because we don't need to faff around. You can see by the size of this it's not a handbag, and I don't know how to actually open this. It's got an instruction to say pull up. Oh, please tear here. Bought this, or these, from Harrods. One item was in the sale and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to give it a go. But I am going to say that I was heavily influenced into trying these things by my lovely friend Maria of Maria Louise Loves Luxuries, because she's bought these and she liked them so much she went back again for more. Oh, this is very well packaged. Oh, now I've got to pull this up. Oh my god. Oh. Talk amongst yourselves for a moment while I get in. I won't be reusing this box for anything. In here I have some brown paper containing my things. Oh, it feels like pass the parcel. Come on. Be gone. I have bought two things from Hermes. This is a Silky Blush powder, and I bought this satin lipstick. Oh yes, I had said that I wasn't going to be coerced, influenced into trying Hermes stuff, even though I frankly do like the look of the lipstick. But I love my Gucci. I love my Dior, I love my Chanel lippies. I thought, do you know what, Hermes, it's just a step too far in terms of paper cash money pricing. But the lipstick was on sale at Harrods instead of £68, bear with me. Instead of being 58 Great British pounds, this was reduced to £40. So I thought, for 40 quid, I'll give it a go. If I like it, I know it's refillable. I can just buy the refills, and the refills are normally about £33, I think, or something like that, which is probably what I would pay for a Gucci lipstick anyway. The other thing I got was the Silky Blush powder. I will show you the colours and what have you. This wasn't on special, this wasn't on sale. I think this was £62, I think. And it wasn't on special, unfortunately. But I've been finding my Dior backstage in Rosy Glow just a little bit too pale pink for my skin tone. So I thought I like to have a little bit of a what's name on my cheeks. So I thought I will give the Hermes one a try as well. This is also refillable and the refills are significantly cheaper. We're going to try these on in a second. I have got literally just my Guerlain Meteorites, that's on my face. I have got my Gucci eye pencil, which I love, recommend this. And I am wearing my Dior, I think this is the, oh, I've taken my glasses off too soon, Dior Show Pump and Volume mascara, and I like that this builds, but it also keeps your individual lashes looking individually lashy, and I like that. The Gucci one I bought, I like how it goes on, it's very silky, the packaging is stunning, but I find it goes on a bit too sharp. It makes me feel like it turns my eyelashes into blades. It just feels really, really sharp. And then if you build it up, it feels like it goes a bit clumpy. So I'm still going to play around with this, but I think it's not for me for everyday use. I think this is probably nights out only. Whereas weirdly the Pump and Show, Pump and Volume, which is supposed to be a big bold eyeshadows, mascara for big bold eyelashes, that's the word. Good Lord, Gwenny, come on, get it together. This is much better for me for an everyday. Normally put 2 little layers on and I'm good to go. So I'm just wearing my Guerlain, my mascara and my eyeliner because I want to try these with you. I've got nothing on my lips are feeling a little bit dry. So we're going to get into these, try them on, have a look at the packaging and everything. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then hi, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my shenanigans. Give the videos you enjoy the no lipstick thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Right, I think the first thing I'm going to go in for is the Silky Blush powder because I'm interested in this. So just plain nice packaging on the outside, very low key. You've got your little Hermes stampy stamp there, and then this is the bit we all want, isn't it? The little bit we all like. It's that little, it's upside down. It's that little orange box. It's not just a box, it's a box in a sleeve. Oh, look at that. And there you go. I've managed to get it upside down again. It's been one of those days. So we've got a little slidey thing there and a little tray, and that's what it sits in. Now, I believe this is magnetic according to the instructions. So, is it? Oh, you just lift. Right, we just lift this up. Looks very, gosh, that is very heavy duty. These covery thing, interesting. Smells a little bit like Parma violets. I don't like Parma violets. The Guerlain Meteorite smelled a little bit of Parma violets to me when I first opened it, and one of my Gucci lipsticks smelled a little bit of Parma violets when I first opened it, and I was not a fan. But those have died down now with use, and I expect this will as well. This is in colour. Oh my god, it's got a big chunk taken out of it. Was it on this? Oh, it's got like a big scratch taken out of it. Can you see? Here. Just there. Ah, that's a shame. So yes, this is in colour 32 Rose Pommette, and I thought this was probably a bit of a better colour for my complexion. Can you see the difference in those 2 shades of pink there? Let's get some of this on my face. I've got stuff strewn all over my desk here now. I have got, implement-wise, this is my Charlotte Tilbury blush brush. Love using this, it's very cool. And this is my fancy, this is a magnifying illuminated mirror. It's got 3 settings, so you've got that setting, you got that setting, and then you got that setting. Wow, that's bright. And you can see by the size of my hand in it, it's magnifying, which this old girl needs these days. It's weird doing it with glasses on as well, so I think I'm going to take those off for the moment. This thing, brilliant, love it. We'll link it down below. It's not very forgiving. The first time I switched it on, no, it was terrifying, but I've come to terms with it. But it is brilliant. If you need a little bit of magnification, the light really helps. It's rechargeable with a USB, and just a little swish there, and it's pretty lightweight, easy to pack, and it's got a little suction thing there so you can stick it on a wall if you like. Right, let's see if I can get this right and not end up looking like Aunt Sally. Ooh, if you you can see a difference in the size, but this size, this looks more healthy, I think. The other one looks a little bit more makeup-y, if that makes sense. Now on the Harrods website there are little tutorials on how to do it, so they're doing either the, sorry, my phone's going nuts now. The tutorials show you either to do the rosy cheeks, the rosy apples of the cheeks, or to do a bit of contouring down the cheek line. But I am liking this. First time, I'm going to say it's a win. And I've just realised I should have done the lipstick first, because I have just learned, oh my god, how do I switch this off? Stop it, shush now, shush now. I do apologise for that, my phone's going nuts. I've just realised I've started following a rule that says to put your blush on last. It's got a handy little mirror in there. Completely failed to show you any of the details of this. Yeah, it's pretty secure, that. So I've started following this kind of rule that says put all of your makeup on but leave your blush until last, because, and I have fallen foul of this before, put my blush on, I've done like my base face, put my lipstick on at the end, and then I've looked daft, I've looked like Aunt Sally, because I've gone too heavy on the lipstick, I've gone too bright on the lipstick, and it just makes the cheeks, which I am loving, I don't know if you can see it at all, but I am loving it. And again, I've done that upside down. Oh, there we go, that way around. And again, we have, I mean, with the presentation is absolutely exquisite, which is what you would expect from Hermes and what everybody tells you you're going to get from Hermes. Beauty. Let's just plop this out. Plop it out. That's no way to talk about Hermes, is it? Just plop it out, love. So it comes in its own little dust bag. It's more of like a little canvas shopper type bag, and you've got the Hermes emblem there on the end. It's rather beautiful, rather beautiful. Now the different types of lipsticks I've noticed with the lip balm and some special limited editions and stuff, they've got different colours on these, but this is just the standard Satin Finish lipstick. This is, I've gone for colour number 59, Rose Dakar. Bam!
Bam.
That is as satisfying as you think it would be. So I've gone for colour 59, Rose Dakar, which looks a lot darker here than it did on the website, and I mean a lot darker. I thought this was going to be really bright. It looked really bright on the website. Well, there's nothing for it. We're just going to have to go in. We're going to go in. I'm leaving my glasses on this time. It's been too much effort taking them off and putting them on again. So, I'm breaking the seal. The B-roll, the cutaways are not going to look great after this. Ooh, it seems very sparkly. You know when you see a car and it's got that really great paint finish and it's got a little bit of a hint of a sparkle. That went on like a dream, like a dream. It is probably a bit darker than I was expecting. It is a little bit darker than my nails. I didn't think it was going to be quite these nails, but do people still do this? Let's zoom in. Do people still do this? I've gone strawberry margarita for all my nails. I did Strawberry Margarita on this nail as well, and this one. But then I decided to go over it with the kind of pinky, orangey, reddy, sparkly O.P.I nail varnish, which I can't remember the name of, but the one that was an Xbox or PlayStation limited edition, on my ring finger. Do people still do this? I don't know. And this lipstick feels like it is more this kind of colour, more this ring finger nail varnish colour than the pink colour. To be honest, I wanted to go for a much lighter colour, a sort of, there's one called Beige Kahir, and I really wanted to go for that one, more of an everyday one, but that was still the full 58 quid, and I thought, when it's £40, I'm happy to dip my toe in. When it's £58, it's probably a little bit more of a moment to order it. The blush, however, I'm feeling like this is an absolute win. I'm going to have to see how this wears. I do like it. I think it's probably... What do you think? What do you think? If I just come a bit closer again. There we go. What do you think? It's less bright pink and more this kind of pink, but the blush is an absolute winner. So I've given you an update on some of the products that I have been using for varying lengths of time. I will continue to give you updates on the Hermes stuff. I don't know how frequently I'm going to be wearing this lipstick because it's a bit bold for the office. It's a bit bold for the office. It really doesn't look like the colour online. So it's so difficult buying makeup online, I think, unless you have already experienced it and you already know what you're looking for and you already know what it's going to be like, because damn, those online colours look different in real life. But I like it. I do like it. I don't dislike it. It was just unexpected. I hope you've enjoyed this up and down Hermes Beauty unboxing. Let me know what you think of Hermes Beauty. If you've got any of these things, let me know what you think of them down below in the comments section. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it the thumbs up love, and until I see you, yes you, boop. For the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!